Since I have no idea how to do drilling, how to drill, I have no idea how to drill, put holes in my walls other than a hammer. And yeah, I have no idea. Hubby has all these tools, so whatever, he should use them, right? Oh my god, hubby-do list. This is gonna be projects for him. He's gonna hate quarantine like he doesn't already, and he's gonna hate my channel because I'm like, ooh, honey-do lists. This is a honey-do project. I can see it already. So figuring out what to buy for those rods was nightmare. I had to go and dig and find part numbers. Ugh, I just want it, okay, total millennial here. I just want it all packaged so I can go over there and say, I want that, and buy it. Doesn't sound too hard. I didn't realize that IKEA has like pieces and you gotta go find all the pieces. Ugh, that was a nightmare. But with quarantine and my husband busy working a lot of hours and going anywhere, I'm gonna have to try to figure out how to do it myself. Ew. And well, we'll see how it works out. The last do-it-yourself was just buying a mattress, turned into an epic nightmare. Yeah, oh my god. Although, well, it sort of worked out in the end. It was just, what the heck? I don't want to be a do-it-yourself type person, and yet I'm doing all these projects. I don't know how to use a power tool. There's nothing wrong with that. I can afford to pay somebody to do it for me or make my husband do it. But I probably should learn if I want to do more and if I don't want to spend a lot of money. But I'm not an interior design person, so I'm like, I have no idea. I don't know, my brain isn't working in that direction. I bought white for my really light walls, so oh my god, I hope this isn't a complete disaster. Oh my god, this is gonna be worse than the last video. Anyways, Amazon was made for people like me. Ooh, yay, I can buy it. Oh wait, I have to make it? Ugh. All right, well, okay, let's get started. So, now that we have all our stuff, I want to do this, but I have no idea what I'm doing. So, this will be fun, learning how to use hand tools. Sweet! I'm learning how to use hand tools. Okay, so, before I can hang these, I have to figure out how wide these are, so I don't make the same mistake. The first mistake was they're too close. So it takes away from my window. My windows are tiny. They're 22 inches. When I'm bigger, Now what are we gonna do? Go to mess here, figure out. This was too long. This is preventing me from using the space, I think. Old curtains. Maybe we can repurpose. I don't know. Here goes. I hope they're tall enough. I hope they're long enough, wide enough. Oh my god. They are long. Hopefully longer. Let's see how wide they are. Oh my gosh, they're only, I'm gonna not have enough for sure. Maybe for this window, but not. Oh, thank goodness. Ah, they're a lot bigger than I thought they'd be. Okay, this only needs one on this. So we're gonna hang up the white just to see what it looks like before I start. We're gonna hang these up to see how much room they take up. All right, so, oh yes, awesome. I can put it all the way up, sweet. So I want them to fall. Oh, that looks so much better. Oh my god, I hope I didn't pick the wrong color. They don't look white. Woo! But the window looks so much better. It looks open or bigger. So I think that's gonna work, maybe. I really hope this works because I got a white rod. If that's not white, it said it was white. If that's not white, it looks yellow. That doesn't match. I am the worst at this game. Oh boy, he's gonna hate it. Well, other option is to get wallpaper and cover that wall. So, well, we're still doing this. Okay, here goes. Here goes. Yay, this is madness. So we need this This is, oh, I have no idea what this stuff is. Like, oh boy, what does that do? Great. All right, so we need 2 of these. No idea what I'm doing. This sucks. This is why I hire people. I got no shame in it. I'm not a DIY person. Never, ever again am I buying a put together piece. Oh my God. Bless my husband, he is gonna help me because apparently these things don't even come with screws. What? How am I supposed to know what screws I need to go in the wall? Oh my God. How these people, yep, nope, okay. Venting, room's a mess. If this turns out somewhat decent, oh my God. Trying to do something, and I'm definitely not bored, but I'm frustrated. Hopefully this turns out, oh my God. Maybe I'll like it more because of all the frustration that I had to go through to make it happen. I don't know, but right now I'm frustrated because stupid things don't come with screws. Gotta go figure out how to get screws. Welcome to the crazy. Maybe I'll get this done today. Probably not. I don't know. Maybe hubby said it'll help, but I'll never do DIY. It sucks. My husband is removing all of the parts from the previous curtains. I wanted them up to the ceiling, so we are increasing the distance, so I had to buy new curtains that would reach the extent of the window. Since my windows are 21 inches across, it's minimal space, and if you add the sides of the curtains, it really covers too much. So we have extended them out by 6 inches on both sides to increase the distance of the curtains and provide more light into the room. I was really concerned about the color of the curtains. They are white, no longer the dark gray. This window is my second least favorite because the blackout curtains behind this sheer curtain cover the majority of the window. This window is pretty large, and I've hidden all of the natural light by these curtains. So hubby is thankfully removing them so we can extend them way beyond the window frame to brighten and open up the space by removing those dusty old blackout curtains that just don't seem to want to slide or open. I mean, I'm literally blocking the entire window. I am definitely not a DIY person. I don't have the patience to measure like my husband has done here, where he measured 6 inches out from the window so that I can use the space on the side wall to hang my curtain so that it does not take away from the natural light. I don't think I've ever used this window before in 10 years that we've lived in this house because I did not like the blackout curtains and the fact that they never opened. I literally had maybe 15 inches out of the 64 inches of window space and light coming into this room. It is incredible. So I, of course, am going to fix the details, the small details. As you can see here, the curtains go from the floor up to the ceiling to lengthen the walls, and I love the outcome. I have moved them to the outside of the hooks so that they won't slide inward, and I can capitalize on all that space and light. Just a beautiful difference, bringing the light into my room. I love the new look, and even the white. I wasn't sure if you can tell my walls are a light gray, so they kind of contrast. I did add a sheer curtain to kind of neutralize the light coming in. Now I have to clean up my mess. We definitely made a huge mess putting everything on my bed, which is kind of gross, but aftermath of doing a DIY project is piecing together all of the old and used parts. Since these old curtains are relatively short, I am not sure what I'm going to do with them because I did not like how low they sat. Since I also have a bag channel where I do reviews on bags, I've decided to bring my bags and hang them on the wall. My husband was a little worried about decorating with bags. However, I love having them out. Right now I'm doing a black wall with a few bags that I gravitate to, but having them out of my closet helps give me space, and oddly enough, it works as a random different type of decor. Hopefully does not take away from the new elegant curtains that we've now installed, but I definitely love the new length of my curtains and the sheer added piece in the background. It really brings in the light. It helps me feel better. It has widened my window. It has brought a different level of light into my room. It reminds me to remove a lot of the clutter that I had previously. I don't know what it is about the difference, but the drastic improvement of how much light comes into my room does change my mood, and it makes me feel less chaos, less hectic. And I think we could all use that in today's world. Loving the white, beautiful, how high the curtains go to the ceiling. The change is drastic and a huge improvement for me in my personal space. I love the white rods. I wasn't sure if I should do white, if I should do silver, or even black, but I'm really glad in what I chose. I have opted to use plastic plants from IKEA. They're about $1. I do have orchids downstairs. However, orchids are the only plant I'm able to somehow keep alive. So I thought the green aspects of the plant help tie in the neutral colors and give me a little bit more energy on days where I'm feeling a little down. I did use or repurpose the pillow from downstairs, and the 2 blankets are also from IKEA. I'm not usually a fan of pink. I have been reading about how subtle colors help bring together a space, so I added a color and picked pink to bring together the grays, the whites, and the neutral colors to add just a small pop of color. Hopefully it helps. It's a little cheerful, a little more girly than I like. Thank you for taking the time to watch my video. I am pleasantly surprised with the amount of light coming into my room. I'm a little worried about that vacant space over my bed and plan to hang something, but I'm just so thrilled with the turnout of this project and the way the curtains hang and how much light is coming in to better my day. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate all your time. If you haven't taken a moment to like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. I look forward to our next video. Thank you.